Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana. Today we're going to edit a holiday card. So let's start by mentioning a few little things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me point out the artwork for you. So the artwork on the template is the textured background, this graphic here, and the social media icons. The color cannot be changed. Here is the template. Here is the artwork. So this section is locked. So if you want to unlock it and be able to move it, you go to the top and click on the little lock. And now you should be able to move it around. The background you can detach and you should be able to change the color. Let me put this back. You can edit the text. You can change the color, the size, the font type, and that goes for all the text within the template. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. Let's remove the placeholder here and upload our logo. My logo has a transparent background, so it's going to blend in perfectly well with any background. If your logo has a color background, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down under the section called Frames and click on the little circle. Click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to look perfect. You have your Spanish template below and your social media icons. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a fabulous day.